Right. We're out here today doing some creek fishing. This creek is up quite a bit from what it has been. There's one. Finally. Don't even know what kind of fish it is. Oh, a big GAR just tried to eat my fish. He's still trying to eat it. Really? Yeah, like a GAR, like. Dude, you can let it eat it. That's a giant, that's like a 4-foot GAR right here. Trying to eat my. Oh, he saw me, he swam away. That's cool though. I hope I got that on video. That was cool. I had like a 5-foot GAR trying to eat this little green sunfish I was reeling in. That was awesome. Green sunfish. Okay, so that took forever, but I retied some new tippet. I say tippet, I'm using like some cheap 4-pound copalmers tippet today. But I retied some, and then I put on a new hopper, and it's a tiny bit smaller than the last hopper I was using. So. And it's a different color too, so I think it might get bit a little more. At least here's the hoping it gets bit a little more, you know. I guess that's good. It's weeding out the teeny tiny ones that aren't big enough to. There's one. I say that. There's a teeny tiny one on it. Did he come off? He didn't. There's an itty bitty one. He's not even big enough to bend the end of my fly rod over barely. A little long ear. Man, these guys are aggressive little fish. With long ear, they are aggressive. Man, they'll eat stuff 3 times their size. I mean, they just don't. I mean, I've had them eat like a Ned rig, and a Ned rig's twice the size of this little hopper. They are mean little suckers, that's for sure. There's one. Ooh. Can't tell what it is. I think it's a brim. It is. Looks like a brim. Yeah. Another green sunfish maybe? Something like that. Yeah, it looks like another green sunfish. Well, that's why I switched to woolly booger, because I was tired of catching green sunfish, but man, I guess I'll catch green sunfish rather than nothing. Man, I feel like, oh, you butthole. Anyways, I feel like I catch more green sunfish down here at this point than I do smallmouth. Of course, if I was fishing with a spinning pole, I think I would still be catching more smallmouth, but haven't caught very many. Haven't caught any good ones. Today would have been definitely a better day for my spinning rod, for sure. There's one. Don't know what it is. Oh, it looks like a little smallmouth. Cool. Well, just as I was saying how bleak the day was, we catch a little bass. Oh, it looks like maybe a little largemouth. Yeah, I think it is a little large. A little largy, a little baby largy. That's alright, we'll take him. Yeah, just as I was saying how bleak it is, maybe I should complain about how terrible the fishing is every time. And we'll get more fish. Get some better content for you guys. I was literally just saying I can't get them to eat anything, and I just caught one on this fly.
I'm just saying, they've been like killing us over here. I'm not joking.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a smallmouth.
Is it a big one?
Oh, it's probably the best one. Oh. He was probably the best one I'd caught all day. Or hooked all day, but I mean, not a big one.
That means I've caught the biggest.
Yeah, you probably have. That largemouth I caught was tiny, so. All right. Got a little Helgramite on now. Hey, look, there's a bass. I wonder if I can catch it. Oh, that one's dead.
Shut up.
My wife killed one, everybody. She killed one.
I was about to say that. I tried to give it CPR. I'm certified.
Well, got a spinning pole in my hand now, so see if we can't catch that. Got him. That's a good one too. Oh, that's a real good one. That's a real good one, dude. Dude, that's a real good one. I'm glad I switched to the Helgramite for a few minutes. I've got like literally 6-pound line on here, so. Easy, bud. You take your time. I'm fine, I can wait on you. I can wait. Oh man, he's fighting good. That's a good one. So that is a good one.
Wait, I caught a bigger fish than that one though.
This is the biggest fish I've caught all day. It's alright. You're good. You just fish wherever you feel like it.
Oh, I am. You caught one, I want one. That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, he is a good looking fish.
Yeah.
Very handsome. Try not to lose him. I don't want to break him off. Come here, bud.
Look at that spot.
Yeah. Oh man, he's gorgeous. Come here.
He is pretty.
Come here, buddy.
No, I haven't caught a pretty one
Easy,
like that.
easy, easy.
My Ellie rolled it.
Yeah, come here, Ellie.
Ellie.
Look at that fish. That is a pretty one right there.
Thanks, I know I am.
That is a pretty one. Good looking fish. You want to hold him, Ellie?
No.
Okay.
Come on, Ellie. Do it. I've literally held a fish before.
Little Helgramite. Sweet. There he goes. The best one of the day for me, by far.
Probably the best one to do.
There's one. Got him.
Hey!
Buddy. Smallmouth. Well, not bad. Northern. Here we go. A little baby one, but he's a smallmouth, so easy. I'm trying to get you on hook and get you back in the water, big guy. Sweet little guy. There is one right there. Oh, that's another good smallmouth too. There we go. Sweet. That's a good smallmouth. We'll take that. Not as big as that other one, but man, he'll do. Let's go. Sweet. We'll take that all day long. Look at his tail. His tail's all beat up and split. It's a good fish. All right, buddy. Last fish of the day. All right, that'll do. Thank you guys for watching.